So I found this idea on Pinterest. Well, just the barrels and the post with lighting. And if I share this, then I'll include a picture of that. But this is going to be a DIY privacy fence idea. And we got these Jack Daniel barrels at Menards. You can use any type of barrel if you're going to do this. And then on the inside is the concrete mix. My husband drilled these posts. What are the posts? 4 by 8 posts into the bottom of the bucket, and then he used the quick set cement mix.
Yep.
So that's what's done in there, and then that's just stain that you see we did stain them. So there's one, and excuse the grass that's missing here. We grew this all, and this was the deck area here. But anyways, there's another one and one down there, so we have a total of 3. And then for the privacy part of it, we're using lattice. Do you remember the measurements for the lattice?
4 by 8.
The lattice is 4 by 8.
Yes.
My husband will be using, we have 4 of them, but we're using this and then be cutting the rest to fit down here. And then also that has been stained. And I'll share the stain if you're curious. My little planter boxes that he made for me 2 years ago. They need to be repainted. I don't even have anything planted on the inside. I had snapdragons in here, but I have some seeds. I have something, I don't know what I'm going to put in this one yet. And then over here, it needs to be repainted too. But this is just nothing growing in here. I'm going to put some stuff in there. Not sure yet what, but I have a bunch of flowers. So, and just share over here. I thought these are coming up on the side of the house. We got some wild violets. These grow crazy all over the place in our yard. But yeah, and then so we're going to be putting the soil, potting soil, in here because this acts as a planter as well, and holds up the lattice, which is so pretty. I love that stain that we picked out. Okay, so my phone was in lock portrait mode. So here's the untreated, or this is treated lattice, but we're going to stain it with that stain that I showed you. So yep, it's messy because my husband's been hard at work. But this is the Pittsburgh Ultra stain, and it is in the color Canyon Brown. That's the stain that we used. Here's another piece that's done drying, ready to get hung next. Here's the progress so far with 2 of the lattice that my husband put up. Looks really pretty. So now my husband measured because he had to cut the lattice in half to match up with the lattice that he already hung. So that's what he's doing now.